Hey, Ryan Sullivan with SuperCanary here. In this video, I want to show you a little bit about the results display so you can dig into your test, see what happened, what broke, how things look. So when you first log into the application, you're going to end up on the results page, which should give you a high level view of how your tests are going for the day. You can also look back in time, at yesterday's results on the last 7 days. You can actually go back 90 days if you really want and get an idea of how your tests look. As you can see on this day, I ran almost 2,500 tests, which is a lot. So anyways, let's go back to today. You can also review each test individually to see where it passed or failed. You can filter based on failures. We didn't have any that failed today, so passed is the way to go. I think actually yesterday we had some failed tests, but um, you can click into any of these and actually see how the test played out, what the inputs are, what the outputs are. Some of the better looking ones are like the web page health test or SuperCanary. As you can see, here's our output. Here's all of our assertions that pass. From a glance, we can see the performance results from Lighthouse, and then we can also download the Lighthouse reports from here as well. So just clicking on a test result should give you a nice view of what happened just by scrolling through the results. You can also get this view by actually clicking through on a test. So let's go back to web page health here. If you click on settings, it will take you back to the settings page for that individual test. Let's say you want to make a change, you can come in here and edit some of the inputs. Or if you just want to see the results for that individual test, from here you can click results, and you're only going to see results for that test. So as you can see, these are all of our web page health tests for supercanary.com for today. And in here as well, you can click on any one of these and just kind of view the inputs, the assertions, and the results. So that's how to review test results in SuperCanary. Thank you.